it's how you employ them. It's a training. I think it is a training. It is the mindset. It is the mindset of our pilots, the aggressive mindset that we take. Pakistan Air Force, alhamdulillah, is giving training to foreign countries. They are coming and asking in numbers. They want to come and have training with us. We have been invited on international exercises. The kind of level of training we have is remarkable. So I can say with great conviction that the difference was in the mindset, in the leadership, in the whole architecture. Platforms do come in play. They are there. I mean, you cannot just rule out them that they don't mean nothing, but they are one part. But the main driving force is the culture of the organization, the leadership, the mindset it has. Iqbal said, کافر ہے تو کرتا ہے شمشیر پہ بھروسا, مومن ہے تو بے تیغ بھی لڑتا ہے سپاہی.